Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about Wipro latest onboarding updates. So in this video basically we are going to discuss about first of all the ICIMS mail that the candidates have got in order to fill or complete their profile on ICIMS portal. Secondly, we are going to see and talk about the survey mail that the candidates have received in the past week. What is that mail and for which candidate it is, and finally we are going to talk about the latest joining date from Wipro and when can the other candidates like Elite, Turbo and other Wilp candidates can expect their joinings. So make sure that you watch the video till complete end to receive all the important information related to Wipro's joining. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest regular updates, as I regularly upload off-campus drives as well as placement preparation related videos on my channel. Also, if you have not yet followed us on Instagram, make sure to do, as there are a lot of job opportunities there as well. So let's start with our first onboarding update. So first of all, this is the mail that the candidates have received in order to fill or complete their ICIMS profile. So in this mail it is mentioned that please click here to access ICIMS candidate desktop. You may use forgot your password to reset the password. Part to access the verification portal is background verification, and then you have to click on fill more profile details. Then a note is given, please upload all the mandate documents in PDF format within 20 days of receiving this email for the purpose of verification. So what all are the documents that are mentioned in the mail itself? That is, the first one is declaration, next is your personal details, third is your educational details, and so on and so forth. So make sure, if you have also got this kind of mail, make sure that you complete your profile on ICIMS. And the other candidates who might have not received this mail, don't do anything, because I always say in my previous videos also, just only if you get any official mail from the company, then only you have to do that or perform that activity. Otherwise, if you have not got your got this kind of mail, and if your friend has only got, then in that case you don't have to do anything from your end. Okay, and in the note also some things are given like BE or BTech 7th and 8th sem mark sheet to be uploaded as the results as soon as the results are declared. For BCE or BSc candidates, 5th and 6th mark sheets are required, and provisional degree certificate to be uploaded as soon as you receive it. Course completion certificate to be uploaded as soon as your semester results are declared. So these all are the important documents that you need to upload on the ICIMS portal. I hope now it is clear to everyone. Those who have got this mail, they only have to upload all these documents. If you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section and I will clarify it. Next is the survey mail. So I was talking about the survey mail which some candidates have got in the last weeks. So in this kind of mail or text message, it was mentioned that, dear candidate, greetings from Wipro, please refer to the mail sent to you, respond to the survey to confirm your interest before 20th of January 2023. Now Wipro has this one thing that whenever they send a mail, in most of the cases they also send a text message, because many candidates forgot to check their mails, and if there is a deadline, then it might be over. So in that for that purpose, what Wipro does is they also send a text message. So this is a basically screenshot of the text message that the candidates have got, and in the mail it was mentioned that we have few questions and clarification, and these are essential to take the process forward. Please provide the clarification by clicking on the below link. Your resume ID is this. And now what you need to do is you need to click on that link, and you have to click on you have to go to ICIMS background verification, and you have to fill your more details. Now this survey mail was received by again Wilp candidates. Many comments I was receiving that we have also we are from Turbo, we are from Elite, but we have not got this. So, and there was a news that this survey mail is for Wilp, is not for Wilp but for Turbo and Elite candidates. So guys, this is not for Turbo and Elite, and to keep you updated, Turbo and Elite candidates does not have got any updates from past month. There was only one update, that was at the end of December some Elite candidates was onboarded, and after that there is no update from them. If there is any update, I will surely update it on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the updates for Turbo and Elite as well. Now so don't fall for this kind of false news that this survey mail is for Turbo and Elite. If it is for Turbo and Elite, it will be clearly mentioned that this is for those candidates, and I will also update it on my channel. Next update is from for the joining update. Now again the latest joining date is 13th of February, for which the virtual onboarding day is set as 6th of February 2023. Now in this mail it is mentioned that welcome to Wipro virtual onboarding day 6th of February 2023. Your resume number is mentioned in the mail. Greetings from Wipro. We are pleased to inform you that your joining in Wipro is scheduled on 13th of February 2023. In order for a successful joining in Wipro, we would like to onboard you virtually on 6th February 2023 for the completion of your joining formalities as per the information mentioned below. Now Wipro, whenever they give the joinings, they always conduct a on virtual onboarding session which will be prior 1 week, so that all the joining formalities are completed, right? So 6th of February is the virtual onboarding day and 13th of February is the joining day. Please click on the below mentioned link for joining the onboarding virtually from your laptop or desktop. Please ensure that you have a good network connectivity in order to complete the joining formalities. And you need to first of all, if you are joining on the virtual onboarding day, you need to join via your own laptop and you should have a good internet connectivity. So again, this joining is for WILP candidates and not for Elite and Turbo. So as of now there is no update for Elite and Turbo, but most probably Elite and Turbo candidates are to be expected to get their joinings from the ending of Feb till the May. In between these months you can expect your joining dates. Again, there is no surety how much long the company is going to take. Let me know if you have any other update from this, I will update in the next videos to all the subscribers of our channel. I hope that the video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to join us on different social media platforms and make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest regular updates. Thanks for watching the video.